bezala babejabulile, babengazi ukuthi ngingene enkathazweni, ngoba konke kulo mhlaba kukho guarantee. Kukhona ilanga lenjabulo, kukhona ilanga lokukhala, kukhona ilanga lokuzalwa, kukhona ilanga lokufa, langa lami laziwa, langa lami laziwa nguwe Thixo, langa lami laziwa, langa lami laziwa nguwe Thixo. Noma kuphakama noma kuthula, noma ngiphila noma ngifa, noma ngizingela noma ngifula, langa lami laziwa nguwe Thixo, langa lami laziwa nguwe Baba, langa lami laziwa nguwe Thixo, langa lami laziwa nguwe Baba.
Thank you God I saw another day, such a sunny day, takes the pain away. Yesterday was such a stormy day, I was few miles away to take my life away. I just wanna run away, I just wanna run away. This life you was too much pain, this life you was too much pain. I just wanna run away. Fuck it, man, I'm not okay. My happiness just ran away. Too much of blacky, darky days. It fell as written in my face. Regrets are stuck in my cage. Regrets are holding me on stage. To forget it's just a different case. What the fuck will ever be? Wait, will I ever see the letter K? Will I ever mesh like going K? Will I ever see me find my way? Will I ever let her find a way? Will I ever send the peace away? Forgiveness just to be okay.